So I'm kind of creating a makeshift classroom. I brought a whiteboard down from my daughter's bedroom, and I'm going to try sitting on this chair. I think I'm going to experiment with some different ways to instruct, but this is what we're going to try for this video. First I wanted to start with a thought for the day.
I've really been enjoying learning what you've been doing over the break. One of my students shared with me that she has been FaceTiming with others in groups, and they're working to just understand, their schoolwork and hyperdocs. And I thought, it's a really good idea if you have friends that you like to FaceTime, even if they're not in your same geometry block, all the work is the same. So go ahead and get in groups on your own and work together. I think it's a wonderful idea to use that technology that you have available.
Today we're going to talk about the area and circumference of a circle. I believe that you have learned this in previous years, and some of my classes we actually did this a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and just start this unit over. So we're going to start here with the area and circumference. So when we are doing our notes, what I would like for you to do is have a piece of lined paper out, and you're also going to want to use the pause feature of the video as much as you need to. So go ahead and pause it if you need to run and get some paper. But what I would like for you to do is we're going to write this down on our notes. The formula for the area of a circle is going to be A is equal to pi r squared. R is going to be the radius. Okay, our first example, we're going to find the area of this circle. The radius is 11. Our formula is A is equal to pi r squared, so we'll go ahead and substitute in. We have pi times 11 squared, and our answer is going to be 380.1. I'm going to show you on Desmos how to use a calculator to do this problem.
What I would like to do is just go over how we're going to use a Desmos calculator. So you want to go to desmos.com, and then you say start graphing. And let's go ahead and do our example problem here. So we are putting pi times r squared in our calculator. So you're going to get pi by going down and showing your keypad. And then I want to click on, I need to hide that. The pi is right here. And then I'm going to put parentheses around my r here. In this case, it's 11. Put my other parentheses, and then to square it, I'm going to use this a squared. So our answer is 380.1.
Our formula is circumference is equal to, we could say 2 pi times r, where r is the radius, or we could also say this as pi times diameter. It's the exact same thing because 2 times r is equal to the diameter. Next, we're going to find the circumference of a circle with the radius of 11. So our formula, I'm going to use circumference is equal to 2 pi times the radius. I substitute in 2 pi times 11. You can do that on your Desmos calculator. Our answer will be 69.1. Our last example is going to be where we're going to find the area of a circle. Here we're given the diameter. So if we're given the diameter, we know that the radius is just going to be half of that. So our radius here is going to be 12, and then we plug into our formula. So the area is equal to pi times 12 squared. Put that in Desmos, and our answer is 452.4. That's it for now with our circumference and area of a circle. Have a great day, and make sure to do the practice problems on the hyperdoc.